In Priti Sandarbha, and number 182 and 199 we found, he said, because in the Priti Sandarbha and Bhakti Sandarbha, oftentimes Sri Jiva Goswami is commenting on different verses of the Bhagavatam, and often the 10th canto. Whereas in his Laghu Vaishnav Toshani, his commentary on the Bhagavatam, 10th canto, when you look at that verse, there's a different commentary. So he has commentaries on the same verse in the Sandarbhas and then different in the Bhagavatam. So it's nice to kind of search around and collect them all in one place. So we did that. So he says the words of this verse, 10th canto, chapter 29, verse 31, they show the Brajagopis combining the two rasas of Shant and Shringar. And the English translation was passive adoration. Passive adoration is Shant, and Shringarati is passionate, erotic love. That's understood easily by all. So the gopis, that's on one side, because they're saying, "Oh, stubborn one, just accept us, reciprocate with us," means we want to love you, so love us in return. So that's the Shringar aspect. That the gopis are rebuking Krishna for wasting time. They've come to Krishna for a purpose, to dance. It's a romantic night. It's a full moon night. It's the middle of the forest. So they want romance. They want reciprocation.